Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I brought you this exciting product. This is a heads-up display. It has a very minimal design and it works fine. It requires very little modification to the Tesla, so you don't have to break down the dashboard or anything like that. Very easy to install and it's plug and play. So let's open this up real quick. Okay, user manual. It's very small. This goes into the AC vent. And these wires gets hooked up to this plug and play. It's super easy to install. They included the trim remover tool. This will display the speedometer, the turn signals, which gear you're in, and the battery percentage. Okay, so this is inside Tesla Y. Tesla has no ambient light, so there's no light shining down here. Only light that is emitting is from the center screen. So over here, you don't know what's going on. I wish Tesla installs little ambient light. So that speedometer will be installed there into that vent. And it's just gonna be held by the tightness of the trim, that's all. There's no permanent glues or screws that you have to work with. Okay, so when you're driving, see this tiny little speedometer here, right? And look at D, P, R, N. It's really tiny, so sometimes you don't know what gear you're on. And look at the speedometer. Like, I literally have to look up like this, but then I have to look down. Look up and look down. See right there, R, the tiny little thing. And the speed, that's it. You know, see look, all just white color. Speed is good, but I have to look down. And it's a little bit distracting because once I look down, I want to look at the main screen. So first thing first, we have to remove this panel right here. Yeah, so just put the pry tool and just pull it out. There. See? The wire on the left side is normal. Okay, so it goes in like this. See? It's curving. So that's why you don't need any glue or screws to mount that. So get the wire right here. Just have to push it through, that's it. And through here, you can push it down. You put the cover back on. Something like that. That's it. That easy. So from here, I'm gonna just hide it in this right here. So you can just hide it behind. So I went through here and made it go in here. And so it comes out from there. It went underneath the plastic and I'm gonna put it through. Let's pop this out. That easy. Okay, so I ended up hiding behind this plastic cover that I bought. So there's the connection and it's not gonna touch when it goes back and forth. So almost done with the install, but like if you just install this just like that, you can see the wires like that. So I want to hide the wire up in those cracks. So check this out, it's right in the middle. I hid the wire on top. So let's hide it a little better. Right there, all the way to the end. And I can push this up a little bit more like that. When I press on the brake, see it comes up. Okay, drive, it goes on to green, reverse, red, park, white. So it's color coordinated. And also look at that, so you can easily see. And let's do the speed. So when it's parked, it shows you the percentage of the battery. It's 9 miles per hour. It's on D and it's in 0. So you don't have to look over here. Now I can just look over there. 28%. When it's on auto hold, it just changes the display to the battery. So over here, the signals work. Look, it's so simple. And because it's so dark, it's so visible up there. So it kind of feels like a heads-up display. It's like a cheap version of it. That's nice. It's such a cheap modification that I think it's worth every penny. I want to reverse. You know it's reverse because it's more dangerous than drive, right? You don't want to make a mistake. That's why the color's red. And if I go, see the speedometer comes up, change to drive. Drive is always peaceful green. It's such a simple install. It takes about 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.